Today I'm checking out this panel cart that was sent to me so I can do the review. Let me get this thing out of the box so we can see all the pieces that it comes with and get it put together. So out of the box, you've got the cart itself right here. 4 really nice large casters that swivel, all of them do. The hardware to put those on, and the strap, and the manual. So everything you need to get it put together is here. I'm gonna get it all put together and we'll test it out. This thing is a really nice cart. I've got the casters put on the bottom. That's really the only assembly you need to do. And then the rest of it is just, it folds out. It's got these really nice little thumb bolts, or thumb screws is what I call those. So when you want to lay this down flat as a regular cart where you can store it, you just undo these 2 little bolts that are right here by hand, and it folds down flat. No problem at all. You can slide it underneath something. They have these fold out bottom pieces here. So let's say you're pushing some stuff down a hallway or something, and what you have on here, glass, whatever is delicate, you don't want to hit nothing. These kind of stick out, give you that protection, but it also gives you more room to put something down there. If you don't need them, you just fold them up out of the way. There's one on both sides. Of course, all the surface area has this like plastic scratch guard on it. So that's really nice too, to keep from tearing up whatever you're moving around. You've got this backdrop here again that you can just fold flat if you want, but you can put it up and it gives you a backdrop here to hold big panels. It's adjustable, the height, using these little pulls right here. You just pull this on each side and this thing can adjust 3 different holes or go all the way down, or you can take it out if you wanted. It's got this little rack area in the back where if you need to put something, you don't want it to fall through. It's got a couple bars here to be able to store some things there to move it around. Locking casters, that's important. Just for me to sit here, the wind was blowing a minute ago and it was blowing this thing around, but all I gotta do is lock the casters. All in all, very cool cart, so many different uses. I move plywood and shelves and heavy things around here all the time. I know this cart is gonna come in extremely helpful. I really like it. I think you will really like it, and I hope all of this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.